Hey, my name is Jeremy Ludes, and I'm the lead game designer, and I'm here to talk to you today about the Call of Duty 3 awesome new features and multiplayer. From motorcycles and tanks and jeeps, jump into multiple occupancy vehicles with your buddies online. New to the franchise are classes, teamwork, dependency. Each class has its own special ability, and as you rank up, you get to carry more gear and get better at your abilities. For example, when you're a scout, rank 1, you can call down a couple of artillery shells, but at rank 3, you'll be able to take out an entire team. You can now play as a medic. When your buddy gets taken out and he's in front of you, you can move into position, heal him up, and he's ready to go. Battle chatter and multiplayer are now extremely important. For example, when you come running around the corner with your buddy and he gets sniped, he'll yell out, "Sniper!
Get down! Sniper!"
And when a tank rolls up, boom, you need that anti-tank weapon to take it out and put you back in the action. From riflemen, light assault, scouts, medics, support, heavy assault, and anti-armor, you make the choice of what is the best balance to win this war. Anti-personnel mines, one of your new abilities. Absolutely key for controlling flag points. With each new ability now, you have ranks, 3 ranks in fact. And you want to make sure on the battlefield you get to the highest rank. Like this scout here. This scout's got rank 3 artillery barrage, and you can see he's taking out an entire convoy. Our multiplayer modes are battle, team battle, capture the flag, single flag capture the flag, headquarters, and a brand new mode that we're calling war. You see, in war, the teams on the battlefield are fighting for control of strategic areas of the map until one team dominates.